Answer should be x minus 2y. Answer should be 10x minus 4y. Negative 2x, negative 3x is negative 5x.
Excuse the interruption, I need L.J. Reynolds and Nathan Bell, please report to Mrs. Pume's room. That's L.J. Reynolds and Nathan Bell. Report to Mrs. Pume's room.
This is negative 5x, this is negative 4x, and then that makes it 0. Answer should be negative x plus 2y. Answer is 5x plus 7.
I think Miranda should win the lottery today.
In honor of Miranda's last lottery, the winning numbers are quintuple 14s. Today's objective is to start with a point, xy, and a slope, and you have to put it into point-slope form, and then once you do that, you have to change it to standard form. Here's example 1. The point is negative 3, 5, and the slope is 4. So don't forget that point slope is y minus y1, but we're going to leave a blank for the y1. Leave a blank for the slope, and then x minus x1, and leave a blank for the x1, because you're going to put those in here. So this is the x. Negative 3 is the x. It goes there. But if it's a negative 3 and there's a minus, then what happens? It becomes plus, right. So plus 3. Now the 5 goes here. And since it's positive, the sign just stays minus. And the slope is 4. It goes there. So once you have that set up, you have to start changing it to standard. Multiply through by the 4. So you'll have y minus 5 equals 4x plus 12. And then after you do that, you have to move the x term to the left and this minus 5 to the right. This goes this way, this goes that way. You should have negative 4x plus y equals 12 plus 5. And of course that simplifies on the right side to a 17. What's wrong with this standard form? Negative. So change the sign of everything to get 4x minus y equals negative 17. Example 2. The point is 4, 6, and the slope is 1/2. So it's y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. This is x. It goes here. It's positive, so it stays minus. This is the y. It goes here. It's positive, so it stays minus. And the slope goes here. Multiply the half by each of these. Y minus 6 equals a half x minus 2. 1/2 times minus 4 is minus 2. Now this goes to the right. This goes to the left. You have a negative half x plus y equals negative 2 plus 6. And of course you're going to simplify this to a 4. I just don't have enough room to rewrite the whole equation. Now what's wrong with the standard form? negative and a fraction. So I have to change the sign of everything and multiply by 2, which is the same as multiplying everything by negative 2. If I multiply all of this by negative 2, I'll get x minus 2y. Negative 2 times the 4 is negative 8. So x minus 2y equals negative 8. On the practice problem, it's going to be y minus 2 equals 2 times the quantity x plus 5. And you're going to multiply through by the 2 to get 2x plus 10. Move this to the left, this to the right to get negative 2x plus y equals 10 plus 2. And simplify the right side to get 12. Cannot have this on the first term, so it's 2x minus y equals negative 12. Answer to the bonus is 85. Answer on the bonus is 270. Answer is 51. On the practice problem, you should have y plus 2 equals 5 times the quantity x plus 4. And then it's y plus 2 equals 5x plus 20. You must shift these two to opposite sides to get negative 5x plus y equals 20 minus 2. And that's, of course, going to be an 18 on the right. And you got to change the sign of everything. The answer is 2. The answer is 10. The winning numbers today will be 777.